Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're decorating a horizontal spread in my Big Happy Planner for Monday, July 17th through the 23rd. This is my journal. I did not journal last week. I was busy filling orders from the 4th of July, so there's that. I'm going to be using Blossom Bliss. These are just some really pretty kind of outline florals, if you can see the outlines around the florals. These are available on my website now. I'm also going to use Faith Quotes 4, and I don't know yet if I'm going to use the kit or not. I'm not sure if I want boxes in here or not. So what I actually kind of want to do, I don't know what I want to do, to be honest. I was thinking that I wanted to just maybe decorate some of the boxes. I don't know. We're going to give it a go. Let's just give it a go and see what happens. I hate that I covered up that little hole. I'm going to go ahead and punch this with my crocodile punch. This is listed down in the description box below. It's We Are Memory Keepers. It's just a little crocodile punch. A single mushroom or disc type punch. Much easier than bringing out the Big Happy Planner punch. I just cut the whole page there too, so just in case you were wondering. Let's see what this looks like if I kind of layer it here, because I hate wasting little pieces of sticker. Alright, that looks okay. And then, I don't know, I might just kind of do like the bottom. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. This might be a quick and easy spread too. I want to make sure I have plenty of room to write. Oh, I shouldn't. Well, yeah. Never mind. I was thinking I did something different on the top up there. So I'm probably not going to put boxes in here because I do want to leave room to write. So yeah. I'll probably just decorate a little bit with florals. It's kind of what I've been doing with this planner lately. It's just using florals. I think I kind of want to go across the top some more too. I think I'm going to grab this and actually go across. So maybe this floral. Oh, that was terrible. Oh, that was terrible too. Yeesh. Be better off using scissors. Oh my gosh, that's awful. Anyways, anywho. Alright, so alright, now back to the little hole punch here. Oh, I should have waited a minute before I punched the first time to decide what I was going to do, but that's okay. Sorry about the air conditioning noise. It's hot here, and I say this all the time, I don't like heat, so I apologize if you can hear it. You can always turn the volume down and speed up your video and just not listen to the sound because I kind of need my air conditioning. Alright, so now what I want to do is take maybe this and come down in this corner, and I got some cute black and white washi that I want to use. I think I want to get a bigger little piece. maybe this. Stick that there and stick this here. No, I'm going to put this one down here. And cut this off, and then I think I'm going to go in with the washi. Why is that so shiny? I don't know why that's so shiny. I don't like it. Oh well. Alright, I'm not crazy about what we got going on here with this, where I miscut it. So I'm going to try something just to cover up the white spot here. It's not working very well. Nah, I'm just going to leave it alone. It's going to bug me, but it's okay. Just where I cut it, like, uneven over there. So anyways, not going to let it bug me. Now, all I'm going to do now is take, I think this is kind of the same thing I did on my last spread, so sorry about that. Not very original today. What do I want to do here? I think I'm just going to put this in the middle 2 lines. Just some cute decorative washi. And I may go ahead and just put it down like at the top and the bottom too. Let's see what happens. Alright, and what do I want to do now? So now I kind of feel like I want to go here, but I don't know how that's going to look. Ugh. I don't know, y'all. I'm going to do it anyways. I may go back through and do all of them. I don't know. Sorry, I don't have this one lined up. This skinny washi often like really kicks my behind. Alright, so what do I do? Oh, wait, I see what I did. Oh, wait, what am I doing? Do y'all see this? I'm trying to look at this thing and make sense of it. No wonder. Okay, I see what I did. That looks funky right now to me. Yeah, let me fix this. Lord have mercy. Holy. Alright. Y'all, I am so sorry. It's Friday and I'm tired. That's my excuse and I'm sticking to it. Okay. So now I think that it looks weird. So I think I'm going to go in and finish with the stripes. Alright, I spared y'all the trauma of watching me do that. So I took these top strips off and put them on the top lines there, and I think it looks so much better. It's just really cute. I think the florals and the black and white go really well together. So now I'm just going to put a couple of faith quotes in here. And this spread will be finished. So let's see. I'm going to actually pull up this washi and just sit it on top of the clear part of the sticker, just because that makes my OCD heart happy. Oh my gosh, I keep laying it down crooked. Okay, and then I want to take let's see, is that crooked? Maybe a little bit. I think I want to take this one for I know the plans I have for you. I kind of wish that all of these had the scripture written on them, but they don't, so that's okay. I'm just going to trim those flat so that they'll sit on top of the washi here. All right. Yep, I think that's cute. I think they both might be a little crooked. Eesh. I'm going to attempt to fix these. This is my new clear sticker paper, and it's usually pretty, or it's been being pretty agreeable about being pulled up. So let's just see how it works today. Didn't mean to pull it all the way up, but hey, that's okay. I like having a line. But now this probably isn't going to look good because I cut the bottom of the thing off. I'll be struggling, y'all. It's okay. Alright, now I need to straighten this one up. But this one I put up under the washi. So I'm just going to trim along the bottom of the washi. And going to try to straighten this one up as well. It's just a tiny bit crooked. Uh-oh, I ripped it. It's just a tiny bit crooked, but it bothers me. So, and the fact that I ripped it is okay, because once I lay it back down, you won't really even notice. It's still a tad bit crooked, but that's okay. Alright, so now I'm thinking about taking a couple of florals and just putting around the quotes. So let me see if I have a mini sheet. I do. So I'm just going to take a couple mini florals and just kind of put around these quotes. So we're going to take this one and put it under the Y. And I say this a lot, but I really have been liking my quotes to sit on top of florals. I don't know why. It's just personal preference right now. That is subject to change at any time. I'm going to try to straighten this up more. Okay, now, which one can we put under here? I think I'm just going to use this little small one. I need to move it over a little bit. Sorry guys, I'm very particular today. I don't know why, but that's the mood I'm in. So we're going to scooch it over just a little bit. I want a little bit more of it underneath that quote. Like that. Yep, that's really pretty. Alright, so what a simple journaling spread this is. Again, you can find all these stickers on my website. You can also use the code July25. Make sure July is in all caps. And you can save 25% off your order. So let's put it back in my planner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you'll give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and make sure that if you have an Instagram account that you're following me over there as well. So that is it for this one. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye, guys.